Oh, it's getting kind of heavy. It's working. Let's go. Yeah. I feel like one's gonna snap. I'm just trying to retrieve my dust.
Retrieve your what?
Dust from the ground. Is it almost at the ground? Oh.
There you go.
Yes. No. I need to do like, it's like Barrel of Monkeys. Have you heard of that game? Yeah. Barrel of Monkeys. Thank you. I'm like the world champion of Barrel of Monkeys, so I'm taking it to the next level. Do you think I'm pretty good at Barrel of Monkeys? Am I good at Barrel of Monkeys? I'm training. I have like the finals in a week for the Barrel of Monkeys. I have finals in a week for Barrel of Monkeys, so I'm practicing on like a bigger scale. Yeah. Hope you have a great day. Okay. I'm just practicing for Barrel of Monkeys championships. I had it all the way to the ground just a minute ago. Thank you. I better not lose any. Oh, I'm just gonna. Yes! Cleared it. Oh, yeah. Let's go, Cole. Oh, dude. Is it too windy?
Yep.
All right. Hey. Hey, dude. Hello? Hey, dude. On your phone. It's gonna snap. Dude.